Hi beauties, what's up and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to go through some spoilers and some sneak peeks we have for December's Boxyluxe. Before we get into that, I just want to remind everyone about our November 2018 giveaway. We have the Tarte Sweet Escape collector set and the NYX 24 Days of Beauty. Please remember to subscribe to my channel to be eligible. Comment on each video and you'll have at least one entry on each video. So we're going to end it on November 25th at midnight. If you need any more information, I have all the rules listed below. Please read through them. Let's get to those spoilers. Well, the first thing I want to say is yesterday Joe came on talking to his assistant. I think she was his assistant, saying, "What meetings do I have today?" You know, acting like they were holding this important conversation. And in the background, we could see two products. Now, these two products behind him are just sneak peeks. I don't know if they'll be in the Boxyluxe or if they'll be in a box later, but we probably will be seeing them in December, but they're just sneak peeks. They're not confirmed yet. The first item is from Wander Beauty. It's the Dusk Till Dawn Eye and Cheek palette. It sells for $26. It's got 3 shades, and these 3 are multitasking blush and eyeshadow palette. It has 3 shades. The first shade's called Tuscan Sunrise. It's a soft natural peach. Havana Nights is that satin dusky pink. City Lights is the last shade, and it's a shimmery champagne gold. Now I can see City Lights as being a highlight on the cheek, and either using the natural peach shade on the cheek or the dusty pink, or mixing them together to get a different color. And I can see you doing an eye look with these 3 shades. The palette takes you from dusk till dawn. You use it on the eyes and cheeks. The next item that was behind him, now I really like the packaging on this. It's by Pretty Vulgar. It sells for $32 at Sephora. It's the Powder Room Translucent Setting Powder, and it's in the shade Matte About It, M-A-T-T-E, About It. It's a loose powder that sets your foundation with a matte, soft, focused effect. Put it on after foundation to lock your makeup in place. Your makeup will look fresh and flawless all day long. The powder enhances the look of your foundation by blurring and filling the look of fine lines without leaving a trace of color. The pore minimizing silky smooth powder was formed to absorb excess oils, reduce shine, leaving your skin with a soft matte finish. I love different powders and seeing how they do on our skin. So these are 2 great little sneak peeks here. We just have to wait till he confirms them to see if they'll be in the Luxe box. We still don't know what's going to be in the Boxycharm box. We just have to wait and see. Now I want to move on to a new confirmed sneak peek for Boxyluxe. This would be our 5th spoiler, Spongele. It's Blossom Bliss, and it's in the shape of a star. They call it a body wash infused buffer. It cleans, exfoliates, massages, and nourishes the skin. Now they say you can use this sponge multiple times. So this should be very interesting, and they've already shown a demonstration of how you use it. You put it under some warm water and you kind of squish it around and the soap comes out, and you just make it like you massage it into your skin in circular motions, and that's how it softens, exfoliates, and nourishes the skin. So, oh, I'm all about bath products. I love trying different bath products, and I'm sure everyone else is. So, let's go down. We're going to go backwards here. Our fourth confirmed spaller is by Elemis, the Pro Collagen Marine Cream. Now, if you want to go back to my last video, I explained what this cream is. I'll list it up above. Then our third confirmed spaller was the PYT Mini Flat Iron or the Sueva Beauty Protege Palette. Moving on to our second spaller by LUXE Beauty. It's an 8-piece face set. It's got 8 brushes in it. And our number one spaller, this Violet Voss palette is just beautiful. It's a warm cranberry eyeshadow palette that can be used for both day and night with 20 beautiful shades. In the shadow palette, there are highly pigmented shades made with jojoba oil, which makes it very easy to blend. This is a day to night palette that everyone can enjoy. In the Boxyluxe for December, we're going to have over $340 worth of products, which is more than last month. Boxycharm is offering us some Black Friday, Cyber Monday deals. This will be offered to everyone, not just subscribers. There will be limited quantities, so watch out for these deals. They said they'd have more details to come. The first box they'll be offering is worth over $180, and it's called the Light But Right Glam, and it will cost you $59, and it has about 7 items in it. The second box is called the Makeup Junkie. The value of it is $240. This will cost you $79, and it has 9 products in it. The biggest box and the best value is called the Total Beauty Aficionado, and it's valued at $465. The cost to us will be $99, and it has 15 items, and one of the items it does include is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess. So if you're looking to buy some makeup for people for Christmas, this could be a good option for you. They will have more details on how to purchase it. Just keep watching your email. I think that's how they'll notify everybody. But I just wanted to let you see these in case you hadn't seen it on the internet. And last but not least, I want to mention some future brands that Joe said we'll be seeing in future boxes. The first one is Tatcha. Tatcha is a skincare product line from Japan. I personally use a lot of their skincare products. It's very, 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 very expensive. Another one is Nude Sticks and Trestique. Nude Sticks and Trestique are similar in the fact that they both apply their makeup with crayons or pencils. Nude Sticks, the eyeshadow comes in a pencil. Everything's like in a pencil. And Trestique, I just looked it up, and it's very similar. They have foundation in a crayon, their lipsticks in a crayon, so that should be very interesting. And he said we'd also be seeing a Tarte cosmetic palette. So can't wait to get a new Tarte palette. I don't care if it's eyeshadow, blush, but those were some upcoming brands that he mentioned. I want to thank everyone for watching, and until I see you next time, bye.